Hi friends, welcome to yet another beautiful series of With Panchodas Vidya with Money. So friends, in this series we are going to cover the boat ride of Thekadi. So this boat ride is really adventurous and very thrilling. So we are very thrilled to have this boat ride. So friends, join to have a great ride. So talking about the boat ride is through the Periyar Lake, and it will be going through the forest area, and if we are lucky, we could be able to see animals which are coming to drink the water. So yeah, we'll be starting the trip now. So friends, join to have a great boat ride with us. Enjoy the Thekadi boat ride. First we need to come to the entrance point. So this is the entrance point. So we have to come here, park our vehicle, and we have to pay the parking fee. Parking fee is like for two-wheeler it is around 70 rupees and for four-wheeler it is around 130 rupees. So the entrance fee includes the transportation charges, as we are not allowed to go inside the boating area through our vehicle, as it is inside the forest area. We need to go there through their transport. So the entrance fee includes the transportation charges also. So the entrance fee as of now is like for one person it is 100 rupees. So we'll be getting the entrance fee and going in their transport to the boating area, and we'll be enjoying the boating shortly. We had taken the ticket for parking our car. Also, we have got the ticket for the bus entry. So we'll be going to the boating. For going near the boating, we need to catch the bus, and we will be going to the boating location through this bus. So friends, we are going to get into the bus now. So come. So friends, we have reached the booking counter for going for the boating, and we have got the ticket. So it's like per person 385 rupees. So the boating will be about 1.5 hours. So we'll be going to enjoy the boat ride soon. So friends, stay tuned and keep connected. If you are lucky, we'll be able to see few animals in the side of the island. So just wait to that. boating is through the Periyar Tiger Reserve, which is around 777 square kilometers of land, and which 360 square kilometers of land is the dense forest where we have many varieties of fauna, flora and bird species. So the animals over here come to the lake to drink water, spend some good time in the water. So the main specialty of this boating is that we'll be able to see the animals over here, so which really add beauty and specialty to this boat ride. Also we have other special other activities included, like we have bamboo rafting, we have forest trekking, which is really interesting and very adventurous to take part. So we'll give the contact details in the description, so you can go through it, and if you are interested you can take any of this activity accordingly. So friends, the boat ride has been started and we could see many fauna species in the bank of the river, which was really a great view to see. It's really a great boat ride that we are having through. The view is just beautiful, just awesome. We could see species, fauna species like elephants, goat, and in the water we could see the tortoise just going through. So it was really nice to see all this. Also some deers, they were like eating the grass over the land, so it was really nice. All such beautiful views, just great to see. After the great boat experience that we had gone through, we had come back to the place from where we had taken the bus. So it was really a great experience of the boat ride that we had in Tekadi. I have heard of this Tekadi boat ride, but I didn't thought that it would be such beautiful, and I got to see many beautiful views. Also we could explore many animals, like they were playing in the water, they were drinking water, like we could see the wild elephants, tortoise in the water. Also we could see like deer, also we could see the wild pigs. Yeah, they were fighting among each other. So it was all a great view. We could just get a glimpse of the wildlife, which was really a good experience that I had. So with this, we are concluding our today's series. So we will catch you in our next series. So till that, take care of yourself, have a good health, and don't forget to enjoy your life. This is Vidya signing off with Money. So friends, if you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and to click on the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos. So see you in our next series. Till that, bye.